Today we're gonna see how to use WhatsApp on a laptop without the QR code. So in order to do this, we obviously cannot do it right away on Mac or PC, but we need to download a couple of things first. So let me guide you guys through it very fast. The first thing that we need to do is go on this website called BlueStack.com and download it. It works for Mac and PC. Now I'm on Mac, so it says download for Mac, but if you click on old version, the Windows one is gonna appear as well if it doesn't appear automatically here. So once we download it, we're gonna install it on our Mac or Windows, whatever you guys have, and we're gonna open it up, and it's gonna look like this. So once we open the app, it's probably gonna look like this in the home page, where you can download several apps and games. And we wanna enter in the search bar WhatsApp and click on search. This is what we are more interested in. It's the WhatsApp app. Go ahead and click on install. It's very simple. Once you click install, you don't have to do anything else. I already done it, so I already installed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So in this window now we just need to insert our phone number, and we're gonna receive a classic code confirmation on our phone that we need to insert, but it won't ask the QR code. So once we confirm the code that we receive on the phone number, we will be able to use the WhatsApp on a laptop without actually scanning the QR code. So let me know, guys, if you found this tutorial helpful, and if so, please consider subscribing and liking this video.